Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today my client is my elder sister and she has acne prone skin but with a really flaky surface. So I am just using the Ayurvedic Kumkumadi Thalam for oil primer and just spreading it with a flat brush. I will be also using a pore filler primer because she has a lot of pores around her nose, her mouth and on the forehead. So I'll be just applying it and gently pressing it on her nose. Actually not on her nose, around her nose and also on the chin. Now I'm doing her brows. I'm just using a brow powder and just filling in the gaps. We can be a little messy with it because eventually I'll just clean it up. So I'm just filling the brows. Then I cleaned up her brows using a mixture of concealer and foundation and just spreading it evenly. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm doing a very smoky look and I am using a peachy transition shade on her crease and just building it up to the intensity how I like it to be. Just making sure everything is seamless and blended. She's just talking and I am just using dark brown shade now and concentrating it on the outer V. I'll be taking it a little bit inside now using a pink shade and blending it with the brown because she has a little bit of pink on her. Actually not little bit pink, she has a lot of pink in her top. So just applying it and blending it. Now time for some glitter. I am using the Root Cosmetics glitter and I am mixing two shades. One is pink shade which I am applying it with a brush but it was not applying very well. So I'll go on with the finger and just make sure the intensity is according to my liking. I'm just making sure that both the eyes are even. Now for the eyeliner, I am using a pen eyeliner from Zissy. She's just dozing off. Now smoking it out with black eyeshadow because I was not liking a stark winged eyeliner with this look, so I wanted it very smoky and sultry. And after smoking it out, I'm using the Garnier micellar water and just cleaning up all the fallouts. For corrector, I am using this one from NY Bay. It is in the shade Coffee Pretzel and she has a lot of dark circle and darkness around her mouth. So just applying it around her mouth and then I'll be blending it with a concealer brush. Just buffing it evenly. See, by applying the corrector, all the darkness just vanish instantly. I did not have a green corrector, otherwise I would have applied it on her acne marks because her acne is like her face is breaking out like crazy. Now for foundation, I am mixing a couple to cater to her shade, and don't worry, this foundation will oxidize. Any heavy party makeup, the more time goes, the foundation will oxidize. So just making sure the undertone is right and you can use a lighter foundation. It will eventually just match your skin tone after a few hours. So just using a buffer brush and blending it all out. Just stippling it to press it onto her skin. Then I'm using a sponge to further make sure everything is blended in nicely and there is no streaks on her face. I will not be using any concealer because she does not have crazy dark circles, so I'm just up to the cream contouring. I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealing Beautiful Bronze. Now I'm using a small contour brush from, sorry for the noise, a small contour brush from Jessup Beauty and just blending it in. For powder, I think I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm just lightly using it to apply it on her T-zone because I don't like that crusty powdery look. I just used a little bit of powder because it's winter and I don't think much oil will be produced. Now smoking the lower lash line with the same black shade and the brown. Now just dusting off the powder, and for blush I'm using the Milani Luminoso. And just applying it on the apples of her cheeks. Just blending it out evenly. For highlighter I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. It is one of my favorite shades and it's cheap, it's beautiful. Some onto her nose, a little bit on the bridge of the nose and on the cupid's bow. Just making sure everything is blended out evenly. And on the inner corner and on the brow bone. I told her to do the lipstick on her own because I think clients are more comfortable in doing liquid lipsticks on their own. Making sure that her lashes are on place and just concealing a little bit of lipstick around her lips because it bled a little bit. So yeah, the look is complete and now time for some posing. And she looks beautiful. Of course, who did the makeup? Me. So yeah, if you wanna see more makeup on clients or on other people, please let me know in the comments below. And please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.